Okay, welcome to another snob map making video, and we're gonna be doing a game called Elevator right now. I'm stuck, guys. I'm stuck. Pokemon battle. What? I don't see any Pokemon or anything. That was so confusing. Okay, so apparently I was in a Pokemon battle. What in the world? Mhm. You guys should, like, this sounds so weird for me. They're going, I know, what? The Discord audio doesn't actually show in the recording for some reason. Because it's a free recorder, so it doesn't actually do it. Like, it's good for now, but it's a free recorder, and you actually have to pay for computer audio to be recorded. So we're going to the next level of the elevator. There's these guys, the big cheeses. They're weird. Why are they green? Oh, jeez. Uh, are you still there, then? Oh, what? Ew. I'm just gonna chill on the, bars right here. So apparently there's a bunch of different stuff that can happen from what I've heard about this game. So there's a bunch of different stuff that can happen, and I just fell through a pit, and these guys are still here. So I'm just gonna stand on his head. He's probably safe. What is this? Oh, what? I'm with Lennon. Oh, who's steering? Oh, jeez. Are we going into a toilet? Why are we going into a toilet? Whose idea was this? Yeah, we're going down the drain. Oh, God. Oh, yay. It's what I've always wanted to be. Poop falling on a sled. Why am I? Oh, I'm brown. I can see like the back rooms. That's the spawn room. Okay. Oh. Mm-hmm. What's happened to this person? No, but look at their body. Ah. I hear. Oh no. It's my big cheese. No, my cheese. It's a noob. Oh, did he just throw up on the big cheese? He just. Oh, good for you. Lennon's covered in puke. This is fine. No, my cheese. Mine. Fine. It's my cheese. This is this is weird. There's poop people. I'm standing on a green man's head. Ooh, I want this. Animal fried chicken eating. Here will be your three contestants. Aw. Aiden, you got chosen. Go. Go. Click, click, click. Oh, you just click. Go, Aiden. Okay, oh, I forgot to say who's playing with us. So we have Landon. He is Dark Demon Landon right here. And we have Aiden. He is Aminimer right there. Go, Aiden. You are destroying them. Wow. You literally got almost over them combined. I can get 8 clicks per second. Yeah. I can go up to 8 clicks per second. What is this guy? He has a lollipop in his mouth, and he is like a stick figure. Hmm. Oh, I'm gonna go in this one's mouth. Ah! I'm being eaten alive. Help! Oh! I just got eaten. What? Oh, wow. The leaderboard is insane. Going back. I'm back, guys. This is cool. It tells you what music it's playing at the top, too, in case you like it or something. Is this copyrighted music? Because if it is, then it isn't recording. So oh, let's go. Ready? We're gonna play some basketball. Oh, 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 look at that shot. That was amazing. It was 0 out of 10 at best. Go, little basketball. To the moon. I almost made it. Is it? It's just frozen? Yeah, a little bit. Go. How did they get up there? You can climb the pole. Oh, it's not the back rooms. The back rooms is yellow. I mean, unless this is a different level. It's Slenderman. Hi, dude. Oh, he left me. Where is he? I want to say hi. Can I lick him? Dude, you gotta make sure you don't eat mayonnaise with your whole entire head in the jar, alright? Hold on, he left. Hi! Hi! How's your day been? No! I wanted to put more mayonnaise on his face. I'm gonna rub mayonnaise on him for some reason. He's my cheese. These big cheese guys are weird. I wish for everyone watching that you could hear Aiden and Lennon. It is hilarious what they're like saying and everything. How are you like sitting on him, Aiden? Are you what? What? I fell. Do you get anything if you complete stuff like this? What? Oh, jump, jump, jump. Mm, mm. Oh, I got this. Look, great. Bang, 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 bang. I'm in the cave part of it. I want a cookie. Oh yeah. So for the snob watchers out there, I'm gonna explain who Aiden is because Lennon just reminded me about it. Lennon is not Lennon. Aiden is another Snom member's older brother. Yes, but no, Hank's a junior Snom member. In a way, kind of, yeah. But I'm saying main Snom, like. Hmm. Yes. Oh, it killed you? Oh no. Hi. Ha. Ha. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to like pause or I'm gonna have to do a new video because this one's already at like 8 minutes. Okay, so I guess we're gonna end this right here because I'm running out of recording time. And I will see you guys in the next video. So Snom out.